Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video we are talking about uSiyacela. You know guys, Siyacela and Mpumelelo Mseleku, they are just stressing me out. These people are just stressing me out, and it's not even my business, but I'm stressed, you know. So Siyacela now wants a second wife who is a virgin. Can you guys believe that? Siyacela says that he wants a second wife who is a virgin, and the way he justified this will just shock you guys. You know, this guy is just so disrespectful. He doesn't even try to hide it. He is so disrespectful. So he said that as a person, you get tired of being intimate with one person. You can't be intimate with one person for the rest of your life. You need to change, wara. Like, the way he justifies this is, I don't know guys, I really don't know. Maybe he could have tried to just be respectful in the way that he justifies everything. You know, I feel like he's just copying Mpumelelo Mseleku now. He is copying Mpumelelo Mseleku, and Mpumelelo is using his father's wealth, his family's wealth to attract women, you know. So I'm just wondering, what would make a virgin interested in Siyacela? Or maybe the little fame that he has, I really don't know. But he wants to take a second wife who is a virgin. So when he told Utando that he wants to take a second wife who is a virgin, Tando was like, okay, but first build me a house. With what money, guys? With what money? You know, Mpumelelo wants to take all of those wives, but yena, at least he told them from the beginning, you know what, when you get into this relationship, just know, okay, just know that I am a guy who wants isitembu. You know, I want to follow in my father's footsteps. I am taking isitembu, so just keep that in mind. But with Utando, guys, I just feel for her, because when she got into that relationship, she didn't know anything about isitembu that was going to happen. And Gesana, these people are both so broke. They do not have the money. You know, you see isitembu from other people and you think it's glorious. That thing requires money, guys. It requires money. You know, for example, now Tando wants her own house. And when you take another wife, she will want her own house. And then you will have a lot of children. Like, how are you going to support those children financially? It just requires money, even if it's not a lot of money, but it requires a person to have an income, you know. So I don't know, like, which woman is going to fall for uSiyacela, because he is so disrespectful. He is so broke. Okay, Mpumelelo is broke, but at least he is using his father's money, you know. It's not his money, but at least, like, he has a backup of some sort. But Nainje, he is in no position to take isitembu, guys. He is not in that position as yet. You know, maybe in future, like, he can be able to make an income, you know, especially looking at the fact that he is already in the industry now. You know, he can maybe get gigs, because he is also a DJ on the side, so he can maybe get exposure, seeing that he is already in the industry. Or maybe he can get like shows, maybe to present shows and things like that. So maybe in future, yes, he will be in that position. But for now, these two people are not in a position to be taking isitembu, guys. And this is my personal opinion. We are all entitled to our own opinions in South Africa, right? So this is my personal opinion. Don't come for me. But I'm saying these two people are not in a position to be taking isitembu, guys, especially uSiyacela. Like, uSiyacela is taking. You know, you don't want to add another stress in your life. And now Tando wants a house. Like, I'm just so surprised. Ukuthi, where is she thinking Guti Siyacela is going to get the money to build that house? She was like, no, you can take Isitembu on condition that you build me a house. With what money? With what money? You know, Mpumelelo and Siyacela, same WhatsApp group, Sham, same WhatsApp group. And this thing about virgins, I don't know where it comes from. I really, really don't know.